Oh, if another YouTuber tells me to rub lemon and sugar on my underarms, I'm seriously gonna flip out. So summer is here and many of us they like to wear those comfortable camisoles and strapless tops, but sometimes we get self-conscious about our underarms because it has these issues like pigmentation, excessive sweat, and today I'm gonna address the pigmentation issue because it is kind of common thing. Many girls we have this, and if you are comfortable with it, then it's totally fine. It's nothing to be insecure about. But if you want to get rid of the pigmentation, then I have few tips for you. And to address that, first we have to know why it is happening. Number one, it can be our genetics. Number two, the deodorants. Often they have aluminium as an active ingredient. It can clog our pores. Even perfumed body spray, they contain alcohol, huge amount of alcohol, which is not good for underarms because the skin there is very sensitive, very delicate like our face. So this can be the reasons. There are other reasons like shaving our underarms with dull blade or shaving on the dry skin because it will tug or pull the hair follicles. And please don't use those hair removing creams. This is so bad for our skin. And please don't bleach there. I have seen many people, they bleach their underarms. Bleaching is not going to do any good. And many people who bleach, their skin looks lighter initially, then it gets darker. And another thing, I have seen many YouTube videos, okay, put lemon, sugar and scrub your underarms daily or every other day. Don't do that. Sugar is not a good exfoliant. It's gonna make our skin irritated. It is gonna be so harsh on the skin, and lemon is vicious on skin. So please don't put these ingredients because our goal is to be gentle on our skin. And our goal is to heal it, not to irritate it more. And I've seen people use toothpaste over there. They put this tomato and toothpaste mask and they put on their underarms. So please, no sugar, no lemon, no toothpaste over there. It's not gonna help your skin, it's gonna irritate your skin and you don't want that, trust me. So first thing, how we're gonna treat our underarms pigmentation. We can use gentle body wash. I love my Dove soap. Nothing works better on my skin than Dove soap. I don't like physical scrubs. I don't think physical scrubs is gonna help with this pigmentation issue. What you can do, you can use chemical exfoliant. I suggest Purito ABB Synergy or with strength 5% mandelic acid. These are very good. You can do this twice or thrice in a week and you are going to see the result, and I have seen it. It's not like, okay, you put ingredient and you see instant result in 10 minutes. It is not about instant result. It is about healthy skin, how it is going to stay healthy, because skincare is not makeup. Makeup gives instant result, not skincare. It is about prevention, it is about cure, it is about addressing our skin's issue. It's about skin's overall health for lifetime, and to achieve that, chemical exfoliants are really great. After using this chemical exfoliants, you can use a gentle moisturizer. I will suggest Etude House Soon Young Emulsion. It is a very good basic moisturizer. It doesn't have any fragrance, and put it in the freezer. Use it when it's cold. It's gonna give you this cooling effect. We can use vitamin C or niacinamide on our underarms to address the pigmentation. But when you're using vitamin C serum, don't use chemical exfoliant because they don't go well with each other. I can suggest few good underarms marks as well. Very simple. You just need turmeric, basin and yogurt. That's it. It really works. Then you can use cucumber, honey and aloe vera. It is very soothing, very calming. So it's gonna help you a lot. Mostly what can help us, when we shave, we have to be very gentle. You really should avoid tugging at the follicle. And many of us use wax over there. I don't like that because I think it involves too much pulling. The skin over there is really sensitive. I didn't try those Rika wax. I don't know if it's gentle or something like that. If you tried Rika wax over there or Blazerian wax, let me know if it worked out for you. I didn't try it, so I cannot tell that, but normal those cold wax, hot wax, doesn't work. So that's all for now. I hope you found my video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye.